Today we are making these $4,500 Air Jordan 1. These are based off of the metallic Air Jordan 1 85s. This is a purple and white colorway. So the Jordan 85 right here is a lot different than the Jordan 1s that you do see nowadays. Now the tongue is different, the shape is different, and also with this is the first shoe that I have backed all the material just to see what it looks like and how it does come out once I'm finished. So we got the lasting board right here, trace it out. These are the sizes for this shoe. Also, if you need this, check out my website, link down in the description. We're gonna be nailing that to the bottom of the last as well as the shoe. So now we're ready to last. We got one last, we got two last, we got one board, we got two boards, and we got the nail. Oh, they just went everywhere. So the nails are now everywhere. They're all over the floor. They're all over my table. That was probably a bad idea. We got the last, these are some big ol' feet right here. We got the last boards all ready. We can write a cute message on it. I got my nails all ready to go. Now that they are, I almost dropped them again. We got the upper ready. We got to throw some laces into those. We got to put the last board on there, nail it all the way down, throw the upper all the way up. We last it up. We put all the inside turnals, all the fun stuff in there. Before you know it, we got ourselves a shoe ready for the sole. So we also need soles for the shoe. So what we got are the mid-court purples, and these are ugly. I cut them so they did look cooler, but that being said, we're gonna take the sole off the bottom. We're gonna throw them onto these, and it's gonna be a lot better. We might also write a cool message onto these, something like that. Also, we might make something cool out of that. I'm rambling on, but let's start lasting. So now we are nice flush on the inside as well as the outside. I did add a little bit of material on here, but now we shaved it off. They are both flush. Now it's time for some lasting. I pretty much lace it up all wrong. So the one lace is going through two holes on each side. I gotta relace it. So with this shoe, I'm lasting from the back to the front. I'm slowly taking my time. I am having lots of trouble with this, so I am having to restart, start again, stop, what's going on? The liner is also lambskin, a very nice, buttery, soft black leather. So the shoe is coming along very nicely. As you can see, it is all lasted, ready to go. I'm gonna put that right there because we need ourselves some soles. The soles are on the mid-court purples. Right here, as you can see, I cut them off earlier in the video. Go check that out. What we got right here are mid-court purples. This is what we got for the soles. Now these are gonna be the donors. I already ripped the laces out of the midsole. Now I just gotta rip the right off the upper. As you can see, that's gonna be super easy. I'm gonna go through all those steps in order to take the sole off of the Jordan. Not gonna be too bad, but we do need a sole for the upper. So once the upper goes off the sole, I'm just gonna pick it up, throw it on. Before you know it, you got a white and purple sole. Gonna look perfect, looking a little better. Awesome, amazing, cool, woo. Love the shoe. What we're doing. How you doing? But this is what the shoe looks like. It is looking very nice, very cute, very pretty. Love it, love it, love it. As I said, purple suede, white leather, very simple. Let's get the soles off these Jordans. I'm just chilling on my futon in the front of my office. As you can see, I just have an X-Acto blade, slowly taking my time, cutting it off until the upper just rips right off of the lower. So as you can see, boom, I got myself both the soles right here. Purple bottom, white midsole. They're clean, ready to go. I'm just gonna drop those anywhere, just throw those anywhere. I'm gonna glue the bottom of this, get the bottom of the shoe ready. So as you can see, it is lasted. We did last it up. Now I have some of the parts nailed down just to have that area secured, ready to go. I will do another pass of glue on the bottom. I wanna make it very flush, like flat, super flat, not like that, but like flat. Okay, so we're gonna skive it down and get it all ready, so let's go. I'm taking the nails right out the side as I skive it down to make it nice and flat so we don't have no Humpty Dumpty bumps on the bottom of our soles. So the upper is ready and it's about to go onto the sole, but we got to do one step first. First of all, we do got to glue each side, but I always write something on the inside. Now, sometimes it's inspirational. Sometimes it's like, woo. Ooh. If you don't try again. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but these Jordans are gonna last forever. You know what? That's the inspirational quote today. Subscribe to Lace Up Kustoms, link down in the description, or just press the red button. Press the red button, turn on notifications, subscribe. Let's just get to 100K subs this year. Yeah, we still got time. We still got time, so let's glue this on, throw that on there. Boop. We got a full on shoe. So I got my glue right here. It is all glued up. Now it is starting to thicken up. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm not screwing the cap on tight enough. Okay, so now it's time to wait. As you can see, the glue is, woo, it's on the shoe. So we're just gonna let that sit right there for a little bit. As you can see, we got the glue on the sole. Make sure to subscribe. We're gonna get to like 100,000 subs by the end of the year. That's definitely gonna happen. Why not, right? Subscribe. But I think the glue is like thickening up. I'm not too sure if I'm screwing the cap on hard enough or whatnot. Also, we are running out to the very end of it, so I do need to get some more glue. As you can see, my other glue did explode in the shipping, so hey, hate to see it. Hate to see it. But that being said, hopefully we could order some more glue. We also got to wait on this, so then we could put it right there, and then see, the shoe will pretty much look like this. The sole will be off in. So now that the Jordan is finally finished, we got to take the laces off. We got to put cooler laces on. We also got to take the last out of the inside of the shoe, take the molding out. It is wearable. So I'm going to rip these laces out, go on. You know the deal. You know the steps. Let's get to it. The last is on the inside. We're pretty much just going to rip it right out. Before you know it, you got yourself a shoe. Take the laces out, boom. You got yourself the last, and just like that, we're going to pretty much rip it all out. So you know the deal. We're finally done with these bad boys. It came out awesome. I think my favorite part is definitely the tongue, the two-piece tongue. As you can see, it's sticking out there compared to the normal ones that I do make. The tongue kind of sits on the inside and you don't see it as much, but it just sitting right there really pushes it out, and it definitely just shouts out like 85 Air Jordan 1. That's what I really like about these, especially the colorway as well. You got the purple and white midsole. It's all clean up here, all white with the purple insides, but I really like how it turned out. If you want to make a pair like this, make sure to check the link down in the description. 100% online shoemaking course. You get to learn the tips and tricks, all the secrets on how to make your own Air Jordan 1. If you want to win an Air Jordan 1 pattern today, make sure to become a member. Like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.